Your online reputation is shaped by more than just customer reviews. It's also about how your brand appears in search engine results. SEO, search engine optimization, plays a crucial role in determining what customers see when they search for your business. Let's explore how SEO impacts your brand reputation and what you can do to enhance it. First, search engine visibility is critical. Studies show that 75% of users never go past the first page of search results. If negative content or irrelevant results dominate this space, it can damage your credibility. On the other hand, a well-optimized online presence builds trust and ensures customers find the best version of your brand. To achieve this, focus on optimizing branded keywords, keeping your Google Business Profile updated, and publishing high-quality, authoritative content. These steps ensure your business ranks where it matters most, at the top of search results. Next, SEO helps manage negative content. Unflattering reviews or outdated articles can easily appear in search results if left unchecked. By promoting positive content, optimizing frequently searched keywords, and monitoring search results with tools like Google Alerts, you can push unfavorable content down the rankings. For instance, creating engaging blogs and articles with targeted keywords ensures that your positive content outshines any negative material. Building a strong online presence is another essential aspect of SEO. Customers trust brands that appear consistently across multiple platforms with high-quality content. Optimize your social media profiles, publish authoritative blogs and videos, and build backlinks from reputable websites. This not only boosts your domain authority, but also establishes your brand as a leader in your industry. For example, a business that regularly shares industry insights is more likely to be perceived as trustworthy and reliable. Local SEO also plays a vital role in managing your brand reputation. If you're a local business, ranking high in location-based searches like plumbers near me or restaurants in a city is crucial. Encourage customer reviews, optimize for local keywords, and ensure consistency in your business name, address, and phone number across all platforms. Positive local reviews and accurate information enhance trust and credibility within your community. Finally, advanced SEO techniques can take your reputation management to the next level. Use schema markup to enhance how your business appears in search results, optimize for voice search with natural language queries, and regularly update your content to keep it relevant. Creating multimedia content, like videos and infographics, can also boost engagement and improve your rankings. At Vikilinks, we specialize in SEO-driven reputation management. From content optimization and local SEO campaigns to monitoring and mitigating negative content, we help your business stay ahead in search rankings and build a strong, positive online presence. Book your free consultation today and discover how Vikilinks can transform your SEO strategy and protect your brand reputation.